All right, everybody, welcome out to another Lean Superintendent YouTube channel video. We got Kev Money. How you doing, Kev Money?
Hey, everybody.
We're over here in a High Street Ventures project again. Look at these beautiful, clean hallways. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. This is how work should be done. Kevin, what is it that I'm looking at right here on this beautiful wall? Tell me all about it.
This is the lean cleaning station
Okay.
that High Street has set up for all the trades to use. You can see nicely everything is hanging where it goes. Looks like somebody might be using something right here, right out in the field. I like that.
I like that.
So this helps facilitate all of the workers and trades on site to be able to have the tools that they need to hold the standard that we're asking for. There's no excuses. There's no, hey, I don't have what I need. It's all right here. They can quickly take it. They can go sweep up, clean after themselves, and then return it for the next trade.
And I love this. So you have the cleaning supplies, you know when to put it back, and somebody inspecting the building can see obviously if it's missing really quickly, right?
Yep.
So everything right here, pre-bought, provided, trash can, and then you have these little safety stations with the air horns and the fire extinguishers and even a zone map. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. Look at all this beautiful information. This is how multifamily should be done. This is the measure of cleanliness. This is the measure of stability.